long-range drones offers an exceptional aerial photography experience, capturing stunning footage from a distance. With so many options available, it can be challenging to choose the right one. That's why we've compiled a list of the best long-range drones that offer exceptional performance, features, and value. So let's get started and explore the best of the best in the world of long-range drones. Rounding up our list number 5, we have the unique Typhoon H+, a drone that offers exceptional performance and features. The Typhoon H+ features a 4K camera with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, providing high-quality aerial photography and videography. The drone also supports a 28-minute flight time and a range of up to 1.6 kilometers, allowing you to capture stunning footage from a distance. The Typhoon H+ also supports obstacle avoidance and GPS tracking, providing a safer and more reliable flight experience. The drone also has a sleek and modern design, making it a great addition to any aerial photography setup. The Typhoon H+ is a hexacopter, meaning it has 6 rotors for increased stability and redundancy. It features foldable arms, retractable landing gear, and a 360-degree range of motion camera, giving it a unique and impressive appearance. The drone is made from carbon fiber, making it durable and lightweight. It also comes with a hard-shell backpack for easy storage and transportation. Our fourth contender is the DJI Phantom 5, a drone that offers exceptional performance and features. The Phantom 5 features a 4K camera with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, providing high-quality aerial photography and videography. The drone also supports a 30-minute flight time and a range of up to 7 kilometers, allowing you to capture stunning footage from a distance. The Phantom 5 also supports obstacle avoidance and GPS tracking, providing a safer and more reliable flight experience. The drone also has a sleek and modern design, making it a great addition to any aerial photography setup. The DJI Phantom 5 is a highly anticipated drone with rumored feature and improvements. While an official release and detailed specifications are not available, there are several expectations and speculations surrounding its potential capabilities. According to various sources, the DJI Phantom 5 is expected to offer significant improvements in terms of flight time, range, camera quality, and obstacle avoidance. It is rumored to showcase the best photo and video qualities, possibly in a prosumer drone, positioning it below the Inspire 2 and Zenmuse combination. The drone is also anticipated to have a higher top speed, improved water resistance, and potentially a second stationary lag-free camera for flying with an FPV headset. Despite the lack of an official release, the DJI Phantom 5 has generated a great deal of excitement and speculation within the drone community. However, as of the latest available information, the specific details and confirmed features of the Phantom 5 remain unverified. Moving on, number 3, we have the Skydio 2, a drone that offers exceptional performance and features. The Skydio 2 features a 4K camera with a 1x2.3-inch CMOS sensor, providing high-quality aerial photography and videography. The drone also supports a 23-minute flight time and a range of up to 5 km, allowing you to capture stunning footage from a distance. The Skydio 2 also supports obstacle avoidance and GPS tracking, providing a safer and more reliable flight experience. The drone also has a compact and lightweight design, making it easy to carry around and maneuver in tight spaces. The Skydio 2 Plus drone is highly praised for its advanced tracking and collision avoidance software, which is considered best than that of any other drone on the market. It is known for its incredibly simple and easy-to-use flight control system, making it an attractive option for both recreational and professional users. The drone's autonomous flight capabilities, including follow mode, cable cam, orbit, and hover, make it stand out, particularly for capturing fast-paced action and dynamic shots. Next, number 2, we have the Autel Robotics Evo 2, a drone that offers exceptional performance and features. The Evo 2 features an 8K camera, providing ultra-high-definition aerial photography and videography. The drone also supports a 40-minute flight time and a range of up to 9 kilometers, allowing you to capture stunning footage from a distance. The Evo 2 also supports obstacle avoidance and GPS tracking, providing a safer and more reliable flight experience. The drone also has a foldable design, making it compact and portable when not in use. The Evo 2 offers a range of features, including intelligent flight programs, obstacle detection, and a 6K camera. It has a maximum speed of 45 mph and claimed maximum flight time of 35 minutes. The drone is known for its responsive controls and great programming, making it an attractive option for both recreational and professional users. The Evo 2 is praised for its simple and easy-to-use flight control system, making it an attractive option for both recreational and professional users. First up, we have the DJI Mavic 3, a drone that offers exceptional performance and features. The Mavic 3 features a 4K camera with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, providing high-quality aerial photography and videography. The drone also supports a 45 minutes flight time and a range of up to 10 kilometers, allowing you to capture stunning footage from a distance. The Mavic 3 also supports obstacle avoidance and GPS tracking, providing a safer and more reliable flight experience. The drone also has a foldable design, making it compact and portable when not in use. The DJI Mavic 3 is a high-end drone that offers a range of features and capabilities, making it a popular choice for both amateur and professional drone enthusiasts. The drone is known for its triple camera array, excellent obstacle avoidance sensors, and GPS, making it a great option for aerial photography and videography. The Mavic 3 Pro is equipped with a mid-range telephoto optic that supplements the wide and long telephoto lenses, adding versatility for creative work. The drone is also praised for its simple and easy-to-use flight control system, making it an attractive option for both recreational and professional users. The Mavic 3 Pro has a maximum speed of 45 mph and claimed a maximum flight time of 35 minutes. The drone is known for its responsive controls and great programming, making it an attractive option for both recreational and professional users.